Okay, we're given the following question. We're given the average daily temperatures for Frederick, Maryland, for the month of June. You're going to calculate relative frequencies to 2 decimal places. So, what do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 by... So 6 by 5, so I have 30. So I'm going to use Excel to do this. So right click, or highlight, copy, paste. Yeah, that'll be fine. Now I'm going to put these all in one column so that I can sort them. Least to greatest. So I'll cut. A little shortcut for pasting is Control V, by the way. And then this is on a PC. Cut, or you can simply right click, paste. And then shortcut for cut is Control C on a PC. I just kind of like do that, Control C and Control V. Actually Control C is just copy. Let me cut that. I'm always deleted it. Cut. I hope you just click cut, paste, Control V. Yeah. Cut. Paste. Right. Now I'm going to sort these. Least to greatest. Make this a little bigger to do that. That's the largest. Okay. Then I'm going to put my temperatures in here, or ranges. Yeah. Frequency. Okay. Okay, this was 74. 75 through 79. 80 through 84. 85 through 89. 90 through 94. And the frequencies. So, 70, 74. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, your numbers will be different than this, so, but same technique. 75, 79. 1, 2, 3. There. 80 to 84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Uh-oh. It should be 85. 85 to 89. 1, 2, 5. And 90 to 94. 5. Now, what you want to do is you want to sum this, make sure it gets to 30. So, yeah, I missed one. Okay, good. Now to get my relative frequency, it's going to be equal to, all formulas in Excel start with equal, and you're going to find the relative frequency for each one of these in D. So D2 is going to be divided by your total. Okay. Now Excel is really smart, so I want to copy this formula down. The D2 is called a relative reference, which means that when I copy it down here, it becomes D3, and it becomes D4, D5, and D6. D7, if I don't do something to it, is also going to go to D7, D8, D9, D10, and we don't want that. So we want this D7 to stay the same, so we put on it what's called an absolute reference. And if you're on a PC, you can simply tap your F4 button. And what that does, it puts a $sign in front of the D and a $sign in front of the 7. It says, do not change D, do not change 7. You can hit enter after that. Okay. Now, if you're on a Mac and you need to, you can actually physically just click here in front of the D and actually type in the $sign, and on the 7 as well. Okay. Now I noticed that mine came in 1 decimal place. I need to change that to 2 decimal places. Let's see. Increases over here. I'm gonna go through with it just to look at it. Okay. So now we're gonna go down here, and that changes that solid. Copy down to there. I might actually, this should sum to 1, but because it's rounded to 3 decimal places, it might not. So I kind of want to see what it sums to. Well, it did. Okay, sometimes because of round off error, these were obviously 0.2 and 0.1, but this 0.367 could have had some more, well, probably more 7s that, or actually would have rounded up to 8 if there's more 7s. So could have had like a 1, 2, 4, 3 after it. So, but that's okay. So let's go here and see what we got. So frequency 6, 3, 11, 5 and 5. Relative 0.20. 0.2 and 0.20 are the same thing, but since it asks for 2 decimal places, I can tell you right now, my open math is picky. So if it says 2 decimal places and you have to pad a 0 in there, do it. Which I actually padded 2 zeros over there because I wanted to see what I got. So 0.10, 0.367, 0.167, 0.167, and then it says look at the histogram. So let's do, well, I can see, well, my highest ones, I really don't have to do a chart on this, but we know that 6, 3, 11, let's just chart it, see what it looks like. Okay, insert, that one look like, hey, that one's not looking right, so let's just do, let's do a recommended chart. Not quite like a histogram, but it's got them kind of pointed out for you here. So it's looking like, not that one because that one doesn't go up to, yep, looking like this one right here. Yep, okay. Submit it. Oh. Okay. So evidently I did not put in, unless, I think you get another chance. You do. You get another chance at this. So I'm glad I missed it. Just to let you know, I did a typo here. I missed this one. Should have been 5. And should have been 5. So actually that was a good point. So notice that you get, I got 2 tries remaining. So if I miss this one, I'll get 1 more time. Then I get 2 more times to answer the question. So let's try this again. Let's do the submit. And notice that we got a 1 out of 1. Alright. So I think you'll like this better than what they used to use Newton, again, because it does not put you back in learning mode. And you do get extra attempts just for typos, just like I did right then, very easily. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.